Shubor Nagashlem Jong Nong San Hima.
Ki khana school ki bapoi hakadan top 20 na Saint Margaret Higher Secondary School. Ki lapan pau ba kajing la jong ki banpoi shaka na kerdan kam day e na kajing Ïarap na CM Impact hendai ka day na Jingtrei Shitom jong kiru. Kini ki khana ki bakantup ya ka Olina waheng bam ka bayo hakadan ba khatsan bat ka kriti kumari ka bawan hakadan ba nyo ki laong ba ka kat kamla ban Ïarap lut baro namar ba ki don bun tili ki jingkali ki bawan haka exam ki bom dan haka kat. Ki laong ru ba ka guidebook lapan mi hashwa banong ke exam kumta kinumla banong bakani kan Ïarap yaki ban pass ke exam namar mamakiru ki lapan kre ya ke exam baro shisnam kini ki khana ki lai khublei ki no hikai kan school ki blai Ïarap yaki ban poi shakan ka kerdan
Preparation and
the whole year our teachers and principal, they helped us a lot, and the main credit would obviously go to my parents because they supported and motivated throughout the year. Even if there were ups and downs, they were always there for me. And major credit also goes to my friends because of them I have spent a lot of time with them, so who I am today is also, molded by them a lot. So yeah, I think it's really helpful, not only for us but other students, and it is a new measure to increase the literature rate in Meghalaya. So I think it's really helpful, and it's not like we had it the whole year, so we couldn't take the maximum input from it, but then however it helped in a really good way.
the reason on exam that is
It is simplifying, but then the exam was not exactly based on all the guidebook. There were questions from the guidebook, but then it was not exactly, so we cannot say that only people who study the guidebook will pass.
So what is next? So what are you going to do?
I'm planning to pursue science.
Really happy. Our teachers have helped us a lot. Yes, they have contributed a lot. We are really happy. We have worked hard. It's like not only our efforts, but it's everyone's efforts. My parents, my teachers. The guidebook was launched like just before the exam, so I don't think so. We have worked the whole year. We have worked really hard. So guidebook then it was launched just before the exams. Yes, it will help the students in the rural areas.
Okay, what is next? What is your next?
I'll pursue science.